Dear subscribers, welcome on the Profit Monitoring channel. Today we will travel to cryptoworld in the Profit Monitoring Cosmic Shuttle with the Mr. Wilson. Exactly. Tonight I will become your personal cosmonaut. Today we will talk about ABC of the crypto world, namely coinmarketcap.com, and it's absolutely free of charge website, and everybody can use the useful data to gain the priceless experience. Let's start traveling. In the top of the website you can find some useful tools for analyzing. Let me show you. Here you can find the ranking, daily volume, derivative, stores, monthly volume, DeFi, forms of ranking, coins absolutely, and tokens. In the right corner you can find the spotlight, gainers and losers, global charts, and recently added new coins. I recommend to you use these tools. Moreover, I give you one little secret. Analyze the recently added tokens list more closer than the other. You know why? Because these coins has more chance to blast and gain huge rise. This means that if you invest in this coin now, you have chance to become the richest man in the near future. Next, we have the list of exchange platforms. Let's see. We are waiting for upload. Here, Binance platform, Coinbase, Kraken, Bitfinex, KuCoin, and others. Let's go to the headlines. Here you can find the news, events, and some informational data about cryptocurrency. On the product, we have where to buy or how name it, how to start your success business. Let's continue. What we have in the tools. Here we find currency converter and watch list. What is the currency converter? This is the electronic calculator to convert your cryptocurrency in the United States dollars or United States dollars in the currency. Look at the list. Here are the all coins included in the coinmarketcap. My dears, let's travel to the coin list and have one of the coin. For example, I choose the Ripple. Let me give you a little information about Ripple. Ripple has become the third biggest coin in the market, as you can see in the ranking position. Many years ago, the Ripple placed on the 25th place of the list when I started my way in the crypto world. In those years, I analyzed the advantages of Ripple and invested in it. So, you have chance to do the same with the recently added coins or other coin in the market. In the left corner, you can find the official website, the Explorer, message board, chatting, and technical documentation. All this useful data is regarding about Ripple and belongs to Ripple, like market capitalization, volume, supply, maximum supply, total supply for today, and diagram for analyzing their rise, their decrease for ranking position. And some information about Ripple. In the end of our travel, I want to say that I believe that my video will bring more success to everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye. See you next on video.